In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new message will be received for new webhooks. So let's create this journey. Select HTTP as a trigger, then choose New Request on HTTP link as a trigger event. Provide the webhook name. A window with an option of copying URL will pop up. Now provide HTTP method as post and provide request parameters as shown. Now in steps, we have to send a new email via Gmail. For that, select Gmail. Next, add send email as action. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Now select the field to. Also provide subject message from HTTP app data tree. Now go back to trigger and copy URL. Paste it in the Quickwork webhook form. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to webhook form, provide email. Now let's go to journey. We can see the journey is executed successfully. Now go to your mailbox. We can see a new email. So in this way, we can create an automation journey where a new message will be received for new webhooks. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.